Congratulations on your new LaFlamme & Co. 4-burner propane gas griddle, model G70230. Before beginning assembly of the product, make sure all parts are present. Compare parts with the package contents list, located within the assembly manual, and the hardware contents list. If any part is missing or damaged, do not attempt to assemble the product. Here are the tools you will need. And let's get started. Attach the right cart side panel, DE, to the bottom panel, EA, using 4 hardware, A screws. Attach the left cart side panel, DC, to the bottom panel, EA, using 4 hardware, A screws. Install the tank screw, EB, onto the bottom panel, EA. Attach the block weight, EF, to the bottom panel, EA. You will need the following hardware for this step. Attach the casters, EE, to the back of the bottom panel, EA. Then, attach the locking casters, ED, to the front of the bottom panel, EA. Secure all casters with a caster pin, hardware F. Attach the heat shield, part DM, to the upper cart brace, part DG. You will need 2 hard screws for this step. Screws for this step. Install the tank exclusion wire, EC, onto the bottom panel, EA. You will need 2 hardware M screws for this step. Attach the regulator bracket part, BG, to the right front cart leg part, DD. You will need 2 hardware A screws for this step. Attach the rear cart supports left DP and right DO to the burner box. 2 hardware O screws for this step. Attach the heat shield DD to the left cart side panel DC. You will need 2 hardware A screws for this step. Install the right handle, CD, on the right side of the burner box, BB. You will need 2 hardware I screws for this step. Attach the top lid handle part AB lid part AA box BB onto the cart side panels DC and DE. You will need 4 hardware A screws for this step. Position and attach the top lid part, AA, onto the griddle part, BA. BI. You will need 2 hardware A screws for this step. Install the tool holders, hardware K, onto the left side shelf CA. You will need 6 hardware A screws for this step. Attach the side shelf brackets A part CB and B part CC to the burner box part BB. Attach the left side shelf part CA to the side shelf support brackets parts CB and CC. You will need 2 square E screws. Step. Attach the control knobs, BN, onto the control panel, BD. Attach the top lid handle, AB, to the top lid, AA. You will need the following hardware. Two people are required for this step. Position and attach the top lid, AA, onto the griddle, BA. You will need the following hardware. Install the tool holders, E, onto the side shelf, CA. You will need the following hardware. Attach the bottle opener, part DJ, to the right front cart leg, part DD. 2 hardware F screws. A screws for this step. Attach the LP cylinder support, part DK, to the right front cart leg, part DD, and the right rear cart leg, E. Screws for this step. Attach the bottle opener, DF, to the right cart side panel, DE. You will need 2 hardware G screws for this step. Attach the door handle, DN, to the left door assembly, DL. You will need 2 hardware N screws for this step. Attach the door handle, DN, to the right door assembly, DM. You will need 2 hardware N screws for this step. Attach the left and right door assemblies, DL and DM, to the bottom panel, EA, by inserting the fixed pin, bottom of door, into the designated hole. Attach the top of each door assembly to the door support rail, DG, by pressing in the door support pin and aligning with the hole on the top corner of the door. Insert 1 foil tray, DJ, into the grease catch, DK. Insert the grease catch, DK, into the opening of the door support rail, DG. Position the 20 pounds LP gas cylinder on the bottom panel, EA, and secure with the tank screw, EB. Finally, attach the regulator, BE, to the LP cylinder valve.